With regard to the transporting of drugs, we handled a case of drugs being transported into the state of Colorado from California. And our client, who actually was from outside Colorado, had been hired to transport in an RV vehicle approximately 100 to 150 pounds of marijuana. He was stopped basically on more of a pretextual stop where they really didn't have specific information that he was transporting, but raised some concern because the highway patrol conducting an interdiction felt that they observed the RV with a scout car. And what that means in plain language is the parties who were having the drugs transported sent a car in front of and behind the RV to detect any type of police surveillance or any interdiction. In reality, what happened, they more or less triggered the suspicion of the authorities. Our client in that case, fortunately, did not consent to the search, and we raised an issue that the work of the police officers in the case was more or less guesswork, and they didn't have reasonable suspicion or probable cause to search the vehicle. Our client did not consent to the search. That also resulted in a negotiated sentence that our client, I believe, did 30 days in jail as opposed to a 10-year mandatory minimum. So the lesson to be learned again is do not consent to searches, do not make statements to the police, tell the police that you want counsel, obtain counsel to intervene before you make the horrendous mistake of discussing the circumstances with the police. Oftentimes what I see are clients that believe the situation is so dire, they need to discuss it with the police, thinking for some reason they can extricate themselves from that situation, which is rarely the case.